Guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I want you all to take a journey through meal prep from my eyes. It's a fast moving process and there's a ton of steps. They happen one after another. It's fun, it's exhilarating, it's exciting, it's a little scary, but it is awesome and definitely Basant style. These veggies, you see how gorgeous the color is. As I say, I don't recommend you picking it up with your hands because it's hot. But you see how beautiful the color is. Now over here, you don't overcook it. It's a flash saute, quick on. You see how high the heat is. You see the sizzle of the pan. Just a quick saute, and then you're gonna pack it up with the rest of the meal prep. Mashed potatoes ready. The rice ready. Rice pilaf ready to go. Look at the color and the grain of rice is gorgeous. So we got the veggies done and I'm gonna use them when we plate. Pan has to be really, really hot and you can't overcrowd it, so you want the pan to do its job like it's doing right now. Wow, that's exactly what you want. A perfect blackened crust. Basant style.
My name is Asma. I've been using Basan Catering for a little bit more than a month now. It's been great. Sometimes my work requires me to travel out of town or work late nights, so it's great knowing that my husband and kids have a healthy meal at home when I'm not there. Recently we moved away from spicy, greasy, desi food, and Ramiz has been great at customizing meals that allow us to have a little bit of a desi flavor and then also have proteins that are grilled or baked, which is a much healthier option for us. And it's an added bonus that he's great at cooking Italian meals, so you get a little bit of variety in your weekly meals. It's cost effective, you know, sometimes I spend $20 on a salad in the city by work where I can't even put chicken in because of the dietary restrictions for the meat to be halal. And this is a much better option of just taking food from home. And his customer service is great. He's very easily accessible, which is wonderful. I highly recommend anyone to use the service, but especially people who have demanding careers and need a healthier option for their foods.